Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to safely remove your Tesla Model 3 fender camera. First, let's get your car ready. It's crucial to put your Tesla into service mode through the touchscreen settings. This prevents any unexpected system alerts. Next, grab some painter's tape and carefully apply it around the camera housing to protect your paint from accidental scratches. Finally, turn your front wheel fully away from the camera side to give yourself ample working space. With your car prepared, it's time to access the camera. You'll need to reach behind the fender where the camera is located. Carefully pull back the inner fender well liner. This will expose the area behind the camera. You might find one or two clips holding the liner. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pop these loose, allowing you to create enough space to work comfortably. Now for the main event, removing the camera itself. The camera is held in place by 4 tabs, 2 on the bottom that you push in, and 2 hook tabs on top. Using a trim tool or a small flathead screwdriver, gently press the bottom tabs while applying outward pressure. Once the bottom is free, carefully pull the camera out. Then, locate the electrical connector and press its small black tab to disconnect the wiring harness. Great job! Now, let's put everything back together. First, reconnect the electrical harness to the camera. You should hear a satisfying click when it's secure. Next, carefully align the camera with its opening in the fender. Push it firmly until all 4 tabs snap into place, ensuring a snug fit. Finally, reposition the inner fender well liner and secure any clips you removed. Double-check your work and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.